Hello, I am Emmanuel Nnamdi, a student of Master of Fine Arts degree in Department of Fine and Applied Arts, Imo State University. I'm the one producing these works, some of them in wood carving, some fiberglass. I have works in bronze, in metal, and I have works in some other materials like sawdust. Right there, you have this work here. It's a fiberglass representation of Udo. Udo is Igbo deity, supreme deity, which is equivalent to Adam. The wife of Udo is Ogugu, which is equivalent to Eve in Jewish mythology. In Igbo mythology, you have Udo and Ogugu. And this one represents the male Udo. And in this case, you see the face, scarified face, or denuded faces of Igbo people in ancient times. This is how they appear. You can see the motifs here: triangular, rectangular, straight line motifs, curvilinear motifs, rectilinear motifs, and you can see the face of a deity, right? When you look at it, you know, it's not ordinary face. It's not of a deity. This one here is a wood carving. It's a wood carving of. You can see it has a royal crown on his face, but the royal crown is in a state of dilapidation. The face of the man is a very deep contour, and it depicts gloom, weariness, tiredness. The title of the work is "We Don't Tire." It reflects the present socio-political and economic doom which Nigeria has fallen into. The rotten head represents the collapsed system in present day of Nigeria. Everything has collapsed. That's why you have the head in a rotten state. Right here. This is a fiberglass representation of mother and child. It's still in a state of finishing. The cast has been made. It's going to undergo finishing. That's what I'm doing.
Hi, I'm Okeke Favor Ifnachku, and a graduate of Imo State University. I'm studying sculpture, a founding student. I'm looking at this piece of art here. This is an artwork which is being done by composition of boats. Looking at this job, I made this job out of the essence, which is the composition of boats. I made this due to the love I had for women and the women anatomy, which I started this job Abama. Yeah. If you can look closely, you see the composition, the way the boat is being assembled. Yeah. That is the anatomy of a pregnant woman.
This is another student's work, and incidentally, this is done by a girl. One of my 200 introduction to sculpture. They were asked to use things from their environment, man-made or castaways or nature castaways. As you can see, she used sawdust to create the form, and she used straw to make this mask, Bini mask, the popular Bini mask. If you look at it, we have different works in the studio done by students where they use different materials they can find in their environment for their creativity. This will help them. This will help them to open up, to face any challenge wherever they find themselves. They know how to take care of their environment.